Hey guys, my name's Aaron Massey from MrFixItDIY.com. The team over at Stihl sent me a few of their new power tools powered by their Lightning Battery System and challenged me to see how much work I could get done on a single charge. So today that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let's go have some fun. So after testing out these tools, I've got to say that I'm really impressed with their power and the longevity of the battery life. To be honest, I didn't think the battery was going to last as long as it did, so I actually ran out of daylight before the battery totally died. All in, I was able to get about 3 hours of pretty consistent work done on a single charge, and it was really easy to swap the battery from tool to tool. I was really impressed with the chainsaw, and I was really surprised at the size of the branches you can actually get through with it. Now, you're not going to be able to take down a huge tree with it, but for maintenance and for trimming branches around the house, this is a perfect saw for that. And as a guy who has a couple gas-powered chainsaws, I'm definitely going to be reaching for this saw more often. It's super lightweight and easy to use, and you don't have to worry about dealing with fuel mixtures or any of that stuff, which is really convenient. The weed eater and blower are also really powerful. I figured I'd chew up the battery pretty quickly with the weed eater, but was really impressed with the amount of work I could actually get done with it. The blower also has a ton of power, and I was pretty shocked by actually how quiet it is for having so much power. So overall, I think the system is more than enough tool for the average homeowner, and if you had a couple batteries, probably really effective for professional applications as well. I checked online and they've got a bunch of other tools available in the Lightning battery line that I want to test out now, so I think I'll have to pull the trigger on some of those as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to say a quick thank you to Stihl for sending over these tools for me to test out. And if you're in the market for something similar, I'd highly recommend you check out the Stihl Lightning line. Check out their website at battery.stihlusa.com for a full list of their tools and where you can buy them. And if you'd like to check out more of my home improvement and DIY related content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and visit my website at MrFixItDIY.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.